Alright students, so we're going to make the beginning of a game. This is Clickball. We're going to just have a ball that moves around and bounces around the screen. We're going to click the ball and get points, and we're going to have a little bit of sound. So here's Scratch. I'm going to assume you're somewhat familiar with it. I don't want to scratch the cat. I want to change. I want a new sprite. Let's go here to choose a new sprite. And, oh, there's a ball. And if I click on the code, click here on the costumes, and I've got different colors. Maybe I'll have the ball change costume whenever I click on it. That sounds pretty good. Oh, there's a sound that goes with it. Yeah, I like that pop better. I'm gonna delete that boing. There we go. All right. So also, I'm not really crazy about this backdrop here, this background. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to change the background to something a little bit more game-ish. This neon tunnel looks fine. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. All right, so first thing is I want this ball. Whenever I click the green flag to go, I want that ball to be moving around and bouncing around in different directions. And all that sounds great. So I'm going to go over here to Events and click on When Green Flag Clicked. There we go. When the green flag is clicked, I want the ball to start moving in a random direction. So moving in a random direction is motion. So move, turn, go to up, point in direction. Okay. Now that says 90, but I don't want to point in a 90 direction. I want to point in a random direction. So let's see if I've got a random thing here. Okay, I think random is down here, maybe in variables. Nope. Operators. Pick random. Perfect. I can put that thing right in there. Ooh, that's nice. So pick random. 1 to 360. And then I'm just going to have it move 10 steps. So click over here on the green flag and move that direction. Alright, yep, looks pretty good. Except I want it constantly moving in 10 steps. So I want that to execute over and over and over and over again. That sounds like a loop. I'll go over here to control. Wait, repeat 10 times, forever. Aha, forever loop. Perfect. Point in a random direction, move 10 steps, forever. Green flag, go. And we hit the edge, and that's kind of unfortunate because now I can't even see it anymore. In fact, it is now at negative 257 and 196. So that's your coordinate system right there. I'm pretty sure if I change this to 0, 0, oh, there it is. It's back at the origin. And that's probably something maybe I want to do at the very beginning of the game anyway. So I'm going to go back here to motion. And I'm going to say, hey, go to 0, 0 when the green flag is clicked. You should be able to see that. Green flag, okay, jump back there, and then he goes there in a random direction. Pick green flag. There, he's moving in a random direction every time. This is so awesome. Okay, good. Let us have him bounce. So if I remember, here in the motion, they actually have this perfect one that we want. If on edge, bounce. I'm going to put that inside the forever loop. So we're going to move and then also check to see if we're on the edge. Here we go. Oh, perfect. Now we have a bouncing ball. I'm going to click on it and, well, actually I can click and drag on it, which I shouldn't be able to do. But anyway, when I click on this ball, I want it to play a sound. So I'll think about this here. When I click the ball. Play a sound, jump to a random position, and give me a point. Add a point. So let's do that. Play a sound. Well, actually, I need to deal with this when I click the ball. So over here on the sensing options, maybe events. When this sprite is clicked. There we go. Let's play sound. Play sound pop until done. Alright, I'm going to try this out, see if this works. Yep, there it is. Great, stop. Then I want to, what else did I say? Jump to a random position. Motion. Go to random position. That's pretty good. Oh, this might be a good time for me to save it. I'm actually using the Scratch Desktop Editor for whatever reason. I'm going to, so because I'm doing that, it's not on the web and saving constantly. Clickball version, I'll just say Clickball 1.0. And save that to my computer. Go to random position. I'm going to test this every step of the way. Oh. Okay, interesting. There's kind of a little bit of a lag you can see. We played the sound until we're done. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put the go to random position. So it goes to random position at the same time that he plays the sound. And I need to add my score. So let's look here. Do I have anything like that? I think that'd be like a variable. My variable. Okay. Let's make a variable called score for all sprites, which means anybody can access it, or for this sprite only. Let's just say for all sprites. That way everybody can do it. Okay. When I do that, you can see up here that this little thing appeared. So when I click that checkbox, it appears or disappears. Yep, there it is. And I can move that wherever I want. Top left is a pretty good place for score. But what's also interesting is if I double click this, then it changes the display mode. This is the display mode that just shows a rounded rectangle with that number. This one has a value that I can change it. That's not really the way that games work with score. So, and then back to this one which shows score. Yeah, that looks fine. Score 0. So when I click this sprite, I have set my variable or change by this. Okay, so setting is going to actually change it to that actual particular value. I don't want to do that. I want to change my variable. Wait, no, not my variable. Score. There we go. Change score by 1. Green flag, go. Oh, now it's 1. Now it's 2. 3, 4, great. Okay, that's enough. Hey, I think we've almost done everything that we wanted to. The only other thing that I guess we could change at this point before we get too complex, I hit the green flag again and I'm still at a score of 5. Okay, that's nice, but maybe for different reasons I want to start the game back over again. So what I might do is I might say when the green flag is clicked, set, not my variable, but score to 0. And so when I hit the green flag, that 9 should turn into a 0. Alright, yeah, okay, so it resets the score every time I hit. Great. Now, that's a pretty basic game, but you can make this really fun and personalize it by maybe changing the sprite into something more interesting than a ball. But if I chose all the interesting ones, then you wouldn't be able to customize it yourself. And change the backdrop again into something more interesting. Of course, you know that you can also upload a sprite. So you can download a JPEG or take a picture of yourself and have maybe your face bouncing around or someone else's face bouncing around of some backdrop of some ironic locale or whatever. With that choose a backdrop, you can do that too. You can upload a backdrop. What's this? Painted. Oh yeah, you can paint and modify it and stuff like that. Yeah, you can actually go to your file system and load something. So you could even do meme type things where you have some hilarious background and then some popular character right there moving around and you have to click it. So cool. Anyway, have fun with that, and we'll probably look at how to do some more advanced stuff in the next couple videos. Alright, thanks for watching.